very happy to have all of you back safe and sound, back in our motherland. On behalf of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, both Kudla ji and I are present here to welcome you back. I know you have all been through a very, very difficult time, a very, very trying time. But know this, that the Prime Minister is with you every step, the Government of India is with you every step, and 130 crore Indians are with you every step of the way. And we will leave no stone unturned until every single one of our citizens are back safely back home in India. So please pass this message on to all your friends, all your colleagues, that we are with them and we will guarantee their safe passage back. Pradhan Mantri ji is in touch with the Ukrainian Rashtrapati ji. The conversations are on to ensure that everyone is brought home safely. Conversations are also on with the Russian government, and we assure you कि एक एक नागरिक को वापस अपने मातृभूमि में हम लोग सुरक्षित लाके ही चैन की सांस लेंगे। बहुत बहुत आप लोगों का स्वागत प्रधानमंत्री और एयर इंडिया की सभी को भी मैं अपने तहे से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग को लाने के लिए इतनी मेहनत और मशक्कत की। आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। I know now all your family and friends are waiting for you, so let's go and meet them. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind.